DJI OM5 tutorial, first use. Open the box, then remove DJI OM5 and its accessories. Unfold DJI OM5. Attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of your phone and attach the clamp to the magnetic area on the gimbal. Press and hold the M button for about 2 seconds. Release it when you hear a beep. The status indicator will turn solid yellow, meaning that DJI OM5 is powered on. Make sure you have an internet connection and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Launch DJI Mimo. Tap the camera icon in the upper left corner and select DJI OM5 to connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. Tap Authorize on the activation prompt, and you'll enter the camera view. Press the rotate button on the front once to switch between the front and back cameras. Press it twice to switch between portrait and landscape modes. Push the zoom slider up or down to zoom in or out. Press the shutter button once to start or stop recording. Press and hold for burst shooting. When DJI Mimo is displaying the live camera view, press the M button once to switch between photo and video modes. Press the M button twice to enter standby mode. You can then press any button to exit standby mode and recenter the gimbal. Press the M button 4 times to switch between regular mode and FPV mode. The joystick controls the gimbal direction. You can also extend the built-in extension rod and manually adjust the pitch axis to any angle between 0 and 90 degrees. Backward rotation is not supported. Press the trigger once to enable follow mode. Press the trigger twice to recenter. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode. Press the trigger once, and then press and hold to enter sport mode. Power off the gimbal. Retract the extension rod. Remove your smartphone and the magnetic phone clamp and put them in the storage pouch. Rotate the gimbal in place and fold. Rotate 180 degrees until the lock icon is aligned with the dot. Thank you for watching.